In this presentation, I'm going to outline a 5-step plan you can use to get more traffic from your search engines. This is big news for any blogger or website owner wanting to grow their business, seeing as search engines are the primary source of traffic for most of us online. Ready? Let's go. 1. Make a plan. I'm not being facetious. The simple fact that you are making any kind of plan for your business means that you are immediately ahead of the curve in a big way. That's because a lot of people approach SEO and content marketing in general with zero plan. They simply start putting out content randomly and hope that they'll get a big hit at some point or slowly gain traction. Neither of these things happens without a strategy. The biggest brands on the web have an SEO strategy, and so too should you. 2. Research. The start of this plan is to research. That means researching the competition. What are they doing well? What are they doing badly? What keywords have worked for them and which ones have they missed out? Researching your target audience. What terms are they likely to use? What do they want to read? What are they likely to share? Researching the industry. What terms are common in the industry? What needs are being met and what gaps are there in the audience? With this information, you now have a useful reference that you can use to target the specific people who will be most interested in your content, and you will know gaps in the market that you can attack. 3. Find potential guest posting opportunities. During this research, you should also find potential guest posting opportunities, partners, and others that you can work with. A cross post or guest post is a fantastic way to reach the right audience and gain instant traffic, but it also gives you high-quality inbound links that will increase your status in Google's eyes. 4. Assess your resources honestly. What are your resources? In particular, time and manpower. How many blog posts can you afford to write per day? How many emails can you send to potential blog owners for a guest post? The more time you can invest in these activities, the greater success you will have. But you also need to be realistic and ensure that your plan is sustainable for the long term. 5. Identify keywords and write. Finally, you're going to research keywords that will work for you based on your previous market research, and you're going to come up with a content plan to cover each of these over a set time period. But here's the most important tip. Don't just attack the most popular keywords and phrases. Instead, use the slightly less common and popular terms, perhaps some long-tail terms too, in order to build momentum and traction. Local keywords are also great for this. In a similar manner, you'll also approach smaller blogs for guest posts to begin with, until you start making a name for yourself. By taking this slow approach and growing your status, you will find that you can build up momentum that carries you far into the future.
Hey, this is Chad Noah. Thanks again for watching this video. What I'd like to do is offer you a free opportunity to get a powerful backlink builder for your YouTube videos. All you need to do is click the link below this video and you'll get a copy of our 2 backlink builder software for 100% free, plus with YouTube SEO training that will show you in 8 different videos how to make sure that your YouTube channel videos are getting ranked high in the YouTube rankings and Google. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.